Hare Krishna, what can be done of the strongest argument that one can state to someone who does not believe in rebirth? Hare Krishna. Devotee Manika, thanks for the message, but why do we need to worry about somebody who is going to argue about rebirth? See, because here we are not into proving. This is about understanding and countering our own mind. Why did I actually explain so much about the concept of Paramatma in the soul? Because you don't need to prove to someone, but you should not get confused, right? This reminds me of a story in Kerala. During every wedding, they used to search for a cat, continuously search for a cat and put the cat inside a cage. And only then they will conduct the wedding. And that day, they could not find a cat for some reason and they were not able to conduct the wedding. Why? Because they used to have a lot of cats in the village, and during wedding, the cats used to walk up and down and cause disturbance. So as a cultural practice, they used to put these, cats in a cage before conducting the wedding, and that became so strong that it became a practice that they started following. So what is important? You understand what is right and wrong. Example, Buddha. Why did Buddha come? Very nice. Buddha is an incarnation of Krishna, and he came to teach you what is the wrong thing and what you should not do. Example, animal killing, is it right? People say animal killing is right because animal does not have sixth sense. Animal cannot think like the way we think. I agree, animal cannot think the way we think. A child also cannot think the way we think. Do you agree? A 3-month child does not think the way you think. So that means I can kill a 3-month child. Does it allow me to do that? No, right? Even legally, I will be behind bars. Even a mother. Yes or no? Right? So that answers your question. So don't make any efforts to argue with these people, but this is to fight your own Adhyatmika argument. Your mind will continuously fight. So that is what it happens. Hare Krishna. Somebody asked if this, okay. His name is Oli Bihari. I call him Hari Bihari, incidentally. So he's a Persian cat. He's not from Hollywood. He's from Chennai and I live in Chennai. I have an Indian cat too, but I can't keep both together. So I will show him tomorrow. Hare Krishna. What to do to the people who don't believe in God? Hare Krishna. Mihir, you don't have to worry. If you're concerned about someone who does not believe in God, as I just told you, even cats and dogs don't pray in the actual sense, right? But what do we do? And one senior devotee told me that anybody who's in the house, including the pets, feed prasad. Little bit, right? Whatever you're giving rice or chapati or dal or even the tirtham, feed a little bit of prasad, because prasad, I just told you all, is like a vaccine. COVID vaccine, you all don't believe, you believe, doesn't matter. You give the injection, it works, right? At least works. Like at least, confident vaccines like triple antigen and all they give. Now, you believe or not, you don't have to worry. It works for you, right? Chloroform, if I keep it near your mouth or face, you're going to faint. I don't believe I have control though. It doesn't matter. No, it will have an impact on you. Same way, this will all have an impact. You actually, if you feel the non-believer is someone close to you, a friend, just give prasad and give it to them. That's it. You don't need to really worry about the facts. Hare Krishna. And this happens, right? And typically your age is where they will be they call themselves as atheist, agnostic. So it doesn't matter. I know a friend, who calls herself, atheist, but, used to constantly do things. I'll tell you what things. She used to go to temple and clean the entire temple. She used to have such big bindis before exam. So, and she used to tell my mom forced me, right? So, but in your exam hall, your mom is not sitting there. And she's not that obedient kid either. But the fact why all this used to happen is because these people generally feel pride in telling that I am agnostic, I'm atheist. Deep inside, it could be a different story. But you have to be very careful, because when you're moving with them, they can be a large influence for you. Hare Krishna. Is there any questions? There are no questions. I will